A US-based scholar said that China has taken a systematic and step-by-step way to make progress in many aspects. Sarwar Kashmiri, a fellow at the Foreign Policy Association, said he's impressed with the very long-range thinking and planning of the Chinese government.
What I admire is that the government in China has taken a systematic, steady, step-by-step approach and is succeeding. In these 4 decades, China has taken some 900 million people and moved them out of poverty. China has increased industrially, advanced technologically. It has started now to focus on more social, if you will, needs of the Chinese. Some issues that all of us talk about, and COVID is one of them. Right, so China has taken a path of zero COVID, which contrasts with the way America and the West handles COVID.
Kashmiri also noted that the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative plays a constructive role in international cooperation.
I think that China is playing a constructive role. So again, I was talking about BRI and China's successes with it. You know, I'm very admiring of the Belt and Road Initiative because it is one way in which developing countries, especially those that are landlocked, that don't have any entrance to the sea or to other infrastructure, can develop, right? So I'm hugely admiring of that.